All right, I'm gonna do a quick video. I'm gonna show you guys something. They calling this the rolling blackout. You know, here in Houston and Texas, they got this winter storm came in right around Sunday, and we've been having power outage for 3 days now. I'm gonna show you something here. This house right here, they had a busted water pipe which flooded their house. And then the house next to them had a busted water pipe that flooded their house. You can see he got a wet back right there. And then I'm walking over here to my house. Like you're saying, I didn't have no busted pipe or anything. You know, I've been running my generator, running my house. So my house has stayed warm, you know, because I'm wired straight into my breaker box. So whenever we lose power, I just plug in my generator. It's 11,000 watt generator, which I can run the whole house because I don't need no AC to run the furnace, because my hot water heater and my furnace runs off natural gas. So, but the house here to the right of me, it flooded, it busted pipes. So it skipped my house because maybe I had my generator running and kept the house warm. And I think it's all this political game plan, man. Somebody needs to be fired. And a matter of fact, this house right here, the water pipes burst. And the house next to them. So 3 houses on the left and 3 houses on the right of me had water pipes that burst. And if you walk on around the corner on the right hand side, you have another 6 houses that had pipe burst, because a lot of people didn't run generators or didn't have a generator or didn't keep their water running when it got down to freezing, when it got to 15 degrees. And a lot of this is copper piping that burst. Yeah, I just took a walk around the block and just look at, as I told you before, a lot of people pipes have burst. I mean, I got 3 houses to the right of me and 3 houses to the left of me. Because, you know, in Texas, we're not used to this cold weather. So these homes weren't built to withstand anything under 20 degrees. So when it got down to about 15 degrees, these pipes start freezing. And if you didn't have no generator, as you can see, I got a generator, it's covered up, but I'm running my whole house off this generator. But they got this rolling blackouts. It's crazy. You know, the lights come on the power come on for 2 hours and they turn them off for 4 hours. So 2 hours on, 4 hours off. Some strange reason they say we're using too much electricity. And I noticed that I use more electricity in the summer than I do in the winter. So that's kind of strange to me, and that's most of everybody's. Like, my bill is twice as high in the summer because I'm running my AC. So why are they saying right now, because we're running our furnaces, in mine I'm using gas, I got gas, that's blessed to have the gas furnace. So they're saying we're using too much electricity, so they got to keep rolling it out so that people could get, but some people lights been off for 48, 50 hours. So they ain't even rolling and giving them power. People are dying, and people are dying from carbon monoxide because they're putting the generators inside their garage. People don't know. Some people don't even know how to function without electricity. Some people got natural gas fireplaces, but they don't know how to light them because they think that they have to have that igniter to start it. The only thing you have to do is turn your gas on and get you a match, or throw a match in there, or a lighter, and start your propane. I made a video the other day because a lot of people was on the next door out complaining that they didn't have they didn't know how to light the fireplace. So I made a quick video to show them how to do that. It's kind of strange what people don't know. Because I'm from the country, and I grew up and we did all that stuff. We chopped wood, we fixed generators, worked on vehicles, changed tires. That's like second nature to me. But you got some of these people ain't never changed a light bulb. So what seems simple to me They think it's rocket scientists to change you got to be a rocket scientist to change a light bulb. Some people don't know. We taught in school what righty tighty, lefty loosey. But anyway, I was just giving you guys an update. You know, I'm a little frustrated with all this stuff. It could be another 2-3 days. So I'm up at night waiting for the generator or the electricity to come back on so I can give my generator a rest. You know, like I said, I'm fortunate enough. I understand all these things. They got neighbors down the road. They got little babies that's trying to find hotels and stuff to rent, but they can't even get into hotels. You know, as you can see out there, it's still raining. Nobody's out. I think I'm the only one on this block that really have a generator. I think a neighbor right across the road, he got one. But like I said, all these people got damages to their homes. Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. I know it's a political game. They're playing with us and they're going to increase the rates. So people that aren't locked into rates.
And last night, the Public Utility Commission of Texas moved to raise some electricity prices to reflect scarcity. The PUC oversees ERCOT. We wanted to find out what will that mean for consumers. And for more on that, we want to bring in Andrew Barlow. He's the Director of External Affairs at the PUC. Andrew, good to see you. Thanks for being on. This order, if you can, in layman's terms, I mean, what will this mean for consumers? Is the public expected to have a bump in their electric bill now?
To your question about the impact of that pricing on individual electricity consumers, generally speaking, most electricity consumers in the state of Texas, whether they're receiving their power from a retail electric provider, as they do in those areas of the state that are open to competition, or if, for example, they're served by Austin Energy or CPS or whatever, many customers, most customers, in fact, are on fixed rate contracts. So in essence, in that situation, as a term of their contract, they are entitled to continue to receive their electricity at the agreed upon price. The place where people might encounter an issue going forward is when it comes time for the renewal of their contract. And it's at that point they may see higher prices, but at the same time, when you're dealing with organizations that are well capitalized, they may not have to pass along as much of that additional debt to all their customers as quickly as possible.
Are going to get charged more. So what happening to all this gas and oil we got, this electricity? Where is it going? Are we selling it? Or are we going to have to buy more from China? I know we had a lot of gas and oil. We got plenty of gas and oil. We do pipelines. So I know. So whatever this political game is, people ain't talking about COVID now. They're talking about electricity. So you get people thinking one way and you throw something else in. So I don't know what's going on. If you guys know, hey, drop a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I keep you guys updated on what's going on. I know the weather's supposed to get a little better here in probably by Friday. It's supposed to get down in the 20s again, so we probably still have rolling blackouts. I'm just concerned about these elderly. You know, I got a couple of generators. I've been walking around helping people out. You know, some of them don't know how to turn off their water, so I had to show them how to turn off their water. Or if they need PVC piping, I got some of that stuff, or pipe glue. Got a little welding machine in my garage if I need to weld something for them. So I've been helping the neighbors out because like I said, I'm fortunate enough. We haven't missed a beat. We haven't missed a meal. Our temperature ain't fell below 70 degrees in our house. Some people, temperatures is in the 20s and 30s in their house. So they're trying to stay warm, just cuddling up together or getting in their vehicles and turning their vehicles on. And a lot of people have got in their vehicles while the vehicle is in a garage.
Inside the garage, it's open. All right, 7 parts per million. See, it's going up. This is a car in the garage already. Oh, we're in danger. 46 parts per million. 57, 65, and it's still going up. This is lethal, and this is why you should not leave your car running in the garage. I wouldn't normally do this. It's just for purposes of the demonstration. Let's turn that off. We're going to go turn that off.
So you got that carbon monoxide, and these people are dying. They fall asleep and never wake back up. They don't know. You know, people may laugh at that or say, hey, they should know better. You'll be surprised, like I said, what people do not know. You would be really surprised. So thanks for watching, and I'm I'm gonna try to help as much people out as I can. Like I said, I got a couple of little small generators. If they need to use them, I let them use them. But other than that, we're gonna stay safe and try to stay out this weather. You don't want to get sick and get the flu, because the flu is the same thing as COVID now. So if you get the flu, you probably got COVID. But anyway, y'all enjoy your rest of your day. And like I said, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.